Hey students, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to your computer DLP. As you know, I am your teacher, Miss Aisha Mirza, here for you to teach you. So let's begin. Today we will do revision of practicals. Introduction to Paint. As you know that our practical of final term has taken from our chapter number 6, Introduction to Paint. So first I am giving you some review. In the previous class, I have told you about Paint software, that it is a software on computer on which you can draw anything which you want to draw and color it as well by using its tools. And from this software, your creativity brings out of your mind. And remember, I have also told you about how to start Paint software on computer. So first of all, you have to start your computer with the proper steps that I have told you in our previous chapter. Then you have to click on start button on your desktop screen with the help of your mouse. Step number 2 is select all programs from the start menu. Step number 3 is click on accessories from all programs. A list of options appear in front of you. Now the step number 4 and the last step is click on Paint software. This is called the ribbon on Paint. It is located on the top of the software. It contains all the necessary things to draw and color like pencil, eraser, shapes, fill with color tool, color palette and much more. But I am giving here the review of some of them. Pencil. We can use it to draw freehand drawing. Eraser. We use this tool to erase something. Oval, rectangle and line tool. This is used to draw different shapes. And the fill with color tool is used to color your picture with the help of color palette. Now the Paint has opened in front of you. Let me tell you first that how you will do your practical in final term examination. Here we are doing practice of this. So here first step I have taken is to select oval shape to draw a sun. Have a look here my kids. You have to draw like this first. Then here I have to make the rays of the sun, for which I select line tool to draw rays around the sun. Have a look here. Now our sun is ready, but the remaining part here is coloring, so that we have to select first fill with color tool. Then after selecting fill with color tool, I have to choose yellow color from the color palette. Look here, I have colored the sun. After that, you have to choose text tool and you have to type few lines about the object, but you don't need to learn it. I will provide you the paper on your practical day from which you can see and type the given paragraph on the computer. Online quiz final term. Your online quiz will be taken from the chapter number 5, page number 43. Glossary plus now you know, and chapter 6 page number 54 glossary plus now you know. Viva questions. Here is the Viva question you have to learn for your practical Viva. Question number 1. Name the software you are using right now. Question number 2. What is the purpose of using fill with color tool? Question number 3. What is the first step to switch off the computer? Question number 4. Which tool can erase mistakes in Paint? Number 5. Which tool we will use to draw a sun? Number 6. Which key is used to give space? Number 7. Identify the ribbon on the Paint software. So you have to learn all these questions for your Viva. So my kids, here's the schedule of your class test. Test number 1 will be taken on 17 May, Monday of section B and D. 18 May, Tuesday will be the test of section A and C. Test number 2 will be taken on the 1st June, Tuesday will be the test of section A. 2nd June, Wednesday will be the test of section B. And the 25th June, Tuesday will be the test of section C and D. Marks of class test will be included in final term examination. So be prepared for yourself. Now the students, it's enough for today's class. We will meet soon inshallah, but till the time, Allah Hafiz. But don't forget to wear your mask and wash your hands regularly, because as we know that virus is still out there. And also don't forget to study. Bye bye. See you soon.